Hi friends, now I have tested the system. I ended up using a pull-down resistor of 460, which is just enough to enable me to see the signal, the pulses from the emitter. And now the plan is to make the system. Our development goals are we need to collect the data from the house's utilities to enable us to make sensible decisions based on the current state of the utility costs. The development plan is we need to get hold of this data. We are going to web scrape from the electricity auction site or from my supplier's site. This data is going into my home server. We are going to have a local home server with local data storage. This home server is going to have an interface for your control devices and your display devices, and it's also going to have an interface for your data collection devices, whichever they may be. The data and parameters are going forth and back, let's say, via Wi-Fi in the beginning. So the development plan is web scraping, building the home server, having a data storage, having a data collection device like the one we have already built, and having a display device, for example, your phone or television. And we are going to use Python as a programming language to ease the speed of our development. Next video is going to be about getting the data. You can follow along here on YouTube, and the full code will be on my website, Palsfundamentals.com. Like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye!